5 Best Healthy Brown Rice Recipes. Brown rice is highly nutritious when compared to white rice. Though both brown and white rice is carbs, the difference lies in their nutritional value, which is determined by the way they are processed. While only the outermost layer, the husk, is removed in brown rice. All the 3 layers, the husk, the bran, and the germ, are removed in white rice. The bran and the germ of brown rice contain vitamins, minerals, dietary fiber, essential amino acids, and gamma-oryzanol. However, the key problem with brown rice is its cooking process and unappealing taste. But you can enjoy eating brown rice if you know how to cook it and what to cook it with. How to cook brown rice. Brown rice has a higher fiber content than white rice. Brown rice, 1.8 grams, white rice 0.4 grams, 100 grams. Hence, it takes longer to cook. Pre-soak brown rice for 15 to 20 minutes before cooking. Here are a few points to keep in mind. Brown rice to water ratio. The water should be double the amount of rice as brown rice absorbs more water due to multiple layers. The water and brown rice ratio should be 2 to 1, 2 parts water and 1 part rice. Draining method. Cook brown rice in a pot of water with a teaspoon of oil. When cooked, drain the excess water. Open flame. Bring 2 cups of water to a boil and add 1 cup of brown rice and simmer. How long to cook brown rice? The milling process reduces the cooking time. But brown rice takes almost 30 to 45 minutes to cook. How to cook brown rice in a rice cooker. Cooking brown rice in a rice cooker can definitely save time, but you should know the correct ratio of water and rice. Your fluffy brown rice can be ready in 3 steps. Soak rice for 15 to 20 minutes and put it in a rice cooker. Add vinegar, a little salt, and water and brown rice in a 2 to 1 ratio. Press the on button and let it cook. Once cooking is done, let the rice rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Tips. Use a fork to fluff up the rice. Use small grain brown rice to cook salads and risottos. Use long grain or basmati brown rice to cook biryanis and pilafs. Soak the brown rice for 30 minutes before cooking. Cook the brown rice for 30 minutes. Healthy brown rice recipes. 1. Brown rice pilaf. Ingredients. 1 cup soaked and drained brown rice. 1 1/4 cups chopped mixed vegetables. 1 large onion, finely sliced. 3 slit green chilies. 2 cups water. Salt to taste. 2 teaspoons clarified butter. 1 tablespoon cooking oil. 3 cloves. 3 cardamom. 1 inch cinnamon. 1 bay leaf. 1 teaspoon grated ginger. 5 garlic cloves, minced. How to prepare. Grind ginger, garlic, and cinnamon with a little water to make a smooth paste. Keep it aside. Heat oil and clarified butter in a deep pan on medium to high heat. Add bay leaf, cloves, and crushed cardamom, and sauté for a couple of minutes. Mix in the ground paste and sauté until the raw flavor fades away. Add onions and green chilies and sauté until the onions turn golden brown. Mix in the chopped veggies. Add the drained rice and give a quick mix. Add water and salt and bring the mixture to a boil. Cover and cook on low to medium heat, stirring intermittently until the rice is soft, the vegetables are crispy tender, and the water is completely absorbed. Serve hot with onion raita. 2. Brown rice salad. Ingredients. 2 cups cooked brown rice. 1/3 cup chopped carrots. 1/3 cup chopped cucumber. 1/3 cup chopped celery. 1/3 cup chopped red onion. 1 cup fresh peas. A handful of basil. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Salt to taste. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika. 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. How to prepare. Add Dijon mustard with salt, oil, lemon juice, black pepper powder, and red paprika flakes in a small mixing bowl. Whisk well to ensure even blending. Mix in the salad ingredients in a large mixing bowl. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss slowly to ensure even coating. Chill and serve. 3. Chicken brown rice soup. Ingredients. 4 cups low-sodium chicken broth. 1 finely chopped red onion. 4 carrots, chopped. 2 finely chopped celery stalks. 2 cups water. 1 cup brown rice. 3 ounces chicken breast. 1 bay leaf. 1 bunch, stems discarded, leaves finely chopped collard greens. How to prepare. Place a large pot filled with half a cup of chicken broth on medium to high heat. Simmer for a while. Add in the bay leaf, onions, celery, and carrot, and cook, stirring now and then until the onions turn translucent. Mix in the rice, chicken breast pieces, water, and the rest of the broth. Let the mixture come to a boil. Lower the heat, cover the pot, and let the mixture simmer for about 40 minutes or until chicken is soft, and the rice is tender. Discard the bay leaves and mix in collard greens. Simmer for about 5 more minutes or until collard greens wilt and turn tender. Turn off the heat. Spoon into soup bowls and sprinkle a little pepper powder and serve hot. 4. Thai red curry with vegetables and brown rice. Ingredients. 1 1/4 cups brown jasmine rice or long grain brown rice, rinsed. 1 tablespoon coconut oil or olive oil. 1 small white onion, chopped, about 1 cup. A pinch of salt. 1 tablespoon finely grated fresh ginger, about a 1-inch nub of ginger. 2 cloves garlic, pressed or minced. 1 red bell pepper, sliced into thin 2-inch long strips. 1 yellow, orange or green bell pepper, sliced into thin 2-inch long strips. 3 carrots, peeled and sliced diagonally into 1/4 inch thick rounds, about 1 cup. 2 tablespoons Thai red curry paste. 1 can, 14 ounces, regular coconut milk. 1/2 cup water. 1 1/2 cups thinly sliced kale, tough ribs removed first, preferably the Tuscan, lacinato, dinosaur variety. 1 1/2 teaspoons coconut sugar or turbinado, raw, sugar or brown sugar. 1 tablespoon tamari or soy sauce. 2 teaspoons rice vinegar or fresh lime juice. Garnishes, sides. A handful of chopped fresh basil or cilantro, red pepper flakes, sriracha, or chili garlic sauce. How to prepare. Cook brown rice in a pot, and just before serving, season it with salt. To make the curry, add onion and a sprinkle of salt and cook, stirring often until the onion has softened and turns translucent. This will take about 5 minutes. Add the ginger and garlic and cook for 30 seconds while stirring continuously. Add the bell peppers and carrots. Cook until the bell peppers are fork tender, for 3 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add the curry paste and cook, stirring often, for 2 minutes. Add the coconut milk, water, kale, and sugar, and stir to combine. Bring the mixture to a simmer over medium heat. Add salt, add 1/4 teaspoon for optimal flavor, to taste. If the curry needs a little more punch, add 1/2 teaspoon tamari, or for more acidity, add 1/2 teaspoon rice vinegar. 5. Mushroom brown rice. Ingredients. 2 cups brown rice. 4 cups water. 1 1/2 cups sliced button mushroom. 1/2 cup chopped onion. 2 teaspoons chopped garlic. 1/4 cup sliced baby corn. 1/2 cup chopped carrot. 1/4 cup chopped green bell pepper. 1/2 cup chopped fennel. 3 tablespoons olive oil. 2 tablespoons lime juice. 2 tablespoons Worcestershire sauce. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon butter. Salt to taste. Toasted peanuts for garnish. How to prepare. Heat the olive oil in a pot and add garlic. Sauté for 20 seconds. Add the chopped onion and fry until they are golden brown. Add the brown rice, 4 cups of water, and salt. Cover with a lid and cook for 15 minutes. In the meanwhile, heat a pan and add butter. Toss in the sliced mushrooms and Worcestershire sauce. Sauté for a minute. After the rice is cooked for 15 minutes, add the chopped green bell peppers, carrots, fennel, and baby corn. Cover with a lid and cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Add the sautéed mushrooms and cook for 4 to 5 minutes more. Add lime juice and mix well before serving. Conclusion. Brown rice is a healthier choice. Though brown rice is not very tasty as compared to polished or white rice, adding meat or other protein sources can make it palatable and yummy. Try out these healthy yet delicious brown rice recipes at home. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and are there any videos, in particular, you would like to see? Please let us know by commenting below.